Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working on 2002 BMW M3 e46. So the customer complained the convertible top stopped working. With your help, let's diagnose together. So first we confirm the customer complaint. Let's turn on the key. As you can see, the light indicator is flashing right here, so indicates with something with the system is not complete or something wrong with that. And we need to scan the code, and it's code stored on it. As you can see, the CVM convertible top module, it's no fault code. So what we can do now, let's see. We can read the data, see what's going on. This one's closed. Yeah, let me track on the close and open. Yeah, let's select the page. It's okay. Yeah, let me track on close and see. As you can hear when I press on it, and then something in the back there, and then make a noise like cup like that. I think in this case we need to start the engine, because this system with top convertibles, draw too much of current from the battery. What the fuck? Let me start the engine. Let's try to close. Yeah, it says flat, and then open. It says press. That means I'm okay with this week, you know what I mean. And then you go out from here and go for the locking. Yeah, this I want to see. Okay. What the? As you can see, something wrong right here. The convertible top locked, no. Cowl panel locked, no. Cowl panel unlocked, also no. What's something wrong with this? You see right now, it's already locked. Let me try to unlock the seal. Open and do nothing. It does nothing. Yeah. As you can see, it opened that much, and then I don't know if the camera pick it up, or you'll see when I like the customer complaint. as you can see right here, if the old, you know, the lock right here, it goes all the way to unlock, and then right here it should say yes, and this one it also say no, no, and this one yes. When this one no, this one should be yes, because you can see on this side, on the driver's side lock right here, and with two sensors in it. One is locked, you know, the gear is moving the thing to this sensor, and then activate the system. The ECM will be activate the next step, the next functional, you know what I mean. And if you, when you press and close, and it move to another sensor and press, and then it will activate this lock. But in this case, as you can see, all say no. That means something wrong with this sensor. And you know what, on the flat disc is move back and forth right here. It holding a piece of metal like about 1 centimeter, the square metal, you know. It's, when it touch the sensor, and then it will activate the sensor, stop, cut off the power to the motor. And in this case, you can see that if we keep try to open, the motor still wanna run. That means the system not cut off the power to the motor. So anyways, in this case, we have to open the cover here and to see what's going on in there. I don't know if you guys can see on the, you see the black flat bit in there. I see the crack. Yeah, that piece of plastic, you know, holding a piece of metal. Earlier I say about 1 centimeter, and to activate the sensor. Okay. Anyway, in this case, we have to take the cover off, guys, and then to see what's going on in here. In this case, to access, to remove the cover, you have to remove the seal right here. We have one bolt in here, and you can see that one bolt with a E30 socket, and another one right here, and one nut in here, and this screw with a 2.5 millimeter hex socket. Okay, and then inside here you have to remove this one screw right here, and underneath right here we have one screw right here with the E20 star torque socket. Okay guys, let's open it up and see what's going on in there. After we loosen the bolt, and the seal will drop down like this, and as you can see, the bolt is still here. It's stuck by, it's can able to move out by this way, but we should leave it in here. You can see a piece of plastic cover on the nut right there, and you have to take it off before we loose up the nut. This nut is not too tight and not too much torque on it, so if you don't have a fit socket, you can use the fly like this and to loosen it up. Yeah, as you can see, all out here, the nuts and the cover. And one screw right here. And then, as you can see, we have the bolt in there. As you can see that, yeah, the one right here, guys. Yeah. Yeah, one bolt right exactly where my light is. Yeah. And very important thing, the bolts, you guys should lose them like 2 or 3 rounds, 2 or 3 turn on each bolt, because after you lose them, like I said, 2 turn, 3 turn, get it loose, and then the cover will drop it out, slide it in and slide it out. You don't need to take the screw completely off. You can able to take it off, but it's hard time for you to put it back. After we take all the bolt, the nuts, the screw off, and then on the last one, you should hold the cover like this. Don't let it drop by itself. And then on the last one, I will show you the reason why I want to hold it like this. Because you remember a piece of broken part, a real hole in here, and then we should carefully, because if you play around with this, all they drop everywhere, you cannot find it. As you can see, if I can see, guys, this one broken, the plastic, and this piece of metal to activate the close and open sensor, guys, but somehow it's dropped down here. That's why the system is not complete, and not activate the system, as for the next functional. Yes, these broken pieces from the thing right here. You can see that. Yeah, it's time for the new one. Let's see. See that. Okay, you guys, right now in lock position. You see the rope all the way down to lock, and the steering wheel all the way to lock position. What happened on the scan tool is still saying no. Oh no, 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 no. So if I push this in here, we got to match it to the sensor, activate the sensor. Yep, you guys can see it. It's a lock. Yes. What the fuck is like? And then if I move this away, to another sensor, unlock, it say yes. Right now the rope in lock position. If this one we attach to the unlock sensor, right here, it will tell you on the scan tool, like say yes. Right now unlock, that made no sense, right? Okay, I think in the case I want to do this to check for the system will work or something else. Okay, I put it in right there. As you can see, the indicator no flashing no more. Okay, now I try to crack it open until close position, and I remove a piece of metal to another sensor. Okay, and then on the scan tool say lock. Yes, yes, because this one still activate the sensor. We move it to here to unlock. Yeah, it also say yes, unlock. Okay, and then in this case I think we keep track on open, and then I to check for the system is something else problem. Yeah, let's see. Hey. Okay. Let's see. Right now, this sensor, this motor doesn't work no more because the car panel unlock. It's yes. You can see the motors stop working, and then the ECM will function for the next step. Yeah, it's working, guys. Okay, and then every time it's working, and of course you see that it completes the system work, and then it will be no more flashing. If you stop on the halfway or somewhere on the way, the light indicator telling you that the system work not complete, incomplete. That's why it keeps flashing. Okay, in this case I try to close it. start. Okay, you see that on the scan tool still say yes, no right there, but now in locked position we have to move this normally to here. Yeah. And now say convertible top lock, yes. Cowl panel lock, yes. Cowl panel unlock, no. Okay guys, in these videos I should try to get the diagnosis to see what going on with this system, you know, and then in this case we have to tell the customer and for something wrong with this broken parts, and we let them know about that and then go from there. And thanks for watching guys. Bye bye, see you next time.